Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can use gestures navigation in your Motorola G85 5G smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings and here you have to type navigation bar, or you can select navigation mode. Click on navigation mode and here it is gestures. You have to enable it, and friends you can see here you can also select like this line you can see in the gesture. You can also hide this and you can also enable this, and you can see here it is right edge and left edge. You can also enable, and I show you how you can press back. If you want to go back, then you have to swipe right like this, you can see. And if you want to go to home screen, then you have to swipe upwards like this. And if you want to see recent apps, then you have to just simply any apps, and you have to do this, swipe upwards and stop this, and you can see all the recent apps are there. This is how you can use your gestures navigation. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.